All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Versa. It is the SV model, this beautiful silver with the black interior. 33,000 miles in this vehicle. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around that body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty decent. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Is your front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tire thread. Pull out my trusty gauge, and that is at 5/32. This door looks pretty good. This other door does have a dent here. It's about 3 inches PDR work. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. And your tire thread is at 6/32 here. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Plus you got your turn the lights in. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. Still controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 33,679. Pretty much completes the tour. No other lights on. Is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Just forget to open up the trunk. Keep a moving rear bumper. Looks good. That's what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then tuck away your owner's manuals down there as well. Your spoiler, your rear deck lid looks good. Rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is at 5/32. Got a little dinghy there on the door. That's about it. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger hubcap. And tire thread is at 5/32. Lights are working, car is on. Beautiful, folks. Once again, this is the 2017 Nissan Versa SV model with 33,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.